Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from Dung, Yaad. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, always a special welcome. Thank you so very much. Those who were there with me from the beginning of the journey, less forever, manners and respect. Big up on yourself. Can I say something? I'm in a little problem. Let me clear myself. Angela Hamilton, happy belated birthday, Nisi. Love you. You all please show Angela some belated happy birthday love in the comment section. She's there. Wanna know her all well. She's a part of the family. Aye, please to matches me over the week. Matches me, Angela. Let me know I go. I hope you had a lovely day. Beautiful. Now today this video is about, prior video we showed you how to use that jerk marinade and to use it to infuse your chicken. Now we have a chicken. Mine was done overnight and this is what it looks like. So a chicken look, right? So this video is definitely showing you. So we have some juices built up overnight and all of that. So the next step, we'll be out on the grill. We are preheating our grill right there right now, our jerk pan. Ours is jerk pan, okay? So we're preheating it. So when you see a snack, next we'll be on to the jerking of these nice, beautiful girls, okay? Okay, now family. So meanwhile your thing I preheat, you can use a brush too. You want to use something and get some oil for oil, you know? Grease up your grill. You don't know the grease? I don't know some others that talk about the grease. The grease is necessary, not you? Yeah. So we have grease up a grill and now we clean off the grill, the rack. So you make sure say, yeah, grease it up so your chicken not stick, eh? Greasing up the grill, y'all. Okay now family. So we have this butterfly boy here. Skin side down. You hear the little scissor? So I have to cut that piece there. Alright, so my grill is big enough to hold everything. So I'm going to be putting everything on. Skin side down. So I put everybody on. And my grill can hold more too. My jerk pan can hold more. Skin side down. Alright? So these juices, as we have them onto the grill here, can hear the little sizzle. You don't want to put it down on your grill extra, let it stay there and build the heat. You don't want to put it down to here before you know it burn up. Put the camera up on me. You need to put your chicken on a medium, not high. You know what I'm saying? You need to gauge it. So you put it on here and make it, let it stay there and you know, if you, camera girl, come down with the camera and get, you can hear it. The sizzling is building up. Let it stay there and build. So you see, and enough, our grill can hold it more. So look here. We're going to be leaving this on the grill. And then as soon as the heat takes it and it starts to because when as soon as the heat comes up on it, you know, it is going to melt that all of those juices in there. And I'll show you how it goes down and what happens, why it get the jerk flavor and all of that. So this water we'll be using to base it. This is what we'll be using to base it. You see how many juices, natural juices? So these are juices like from all we use and the red stripe beer and everything. So as we go along, we're going to be using these juices. Each time we turn it, we're going to be basing it and you can see what happens. So when you see us next, we should be turning and doing some more basing. Where soon come jerk. Okay now family, yes, it's a mere jerk now though. So when you see what is happening right here, that the heat is taking this and the juices. You see that is the juice in it. You have to season up the chicken, make the thing have some juice. So this is the first one that looks like it can turn, and you may use my spatula. Okay, you want to make it steady and make it burn up in it. So as soon as you see you do that, and you just tip it to that little juice. Okay? You just tip it to that, feed it to that little like this. Okay? When you feed it with the juices, it go right down into the chicken and keeps the chicken moist. Whilst the drippings go right under there. I have Answer My Food family and trips. And let me tell you something. I also have some orange wood stick with my coal in there. Right? So it is giving it a flavor, and it is also helping it to, to keep the heat going. So these are not ready as yet, and this is still not ready. So each time you turn, you wet with, these are the juices that we're going to be using. Just gently, just a little at a time. And you see this is drip down, and you hear the sizzle, and it infuses the chicken with the smoke. As we go along, we catch up with you. All right now, family, big girl, she ready for turn. So you got to know what you're doing. You lift her with some, and you turn her. You see what I'm saying? Okay, now you turn. You're going to use a little of this to infuse her. You don't wait until one side burn and burn. You want a little charredness, but you're not to wait until it is all burn and burn up. Because people can't eat burn up. I cannot enjoy the chicken when the chicken burn and black. I can't manage it. I can't manage the whole patty. So you see we here? You just do it slow. Just try to do it slow. These are taking color slower, because these here, they are down this side. It's not. Some side is sort of higher than some. So as you go along, you just do it just like this. Right on. So okay now, family, we're going to be turning it from side to side, and this is the fun for the rest of this jerking of this chicken. This is what we're going to be doing. Turning it from side to side until it has pretty color, properly done, and not too dry, and have juices in there. So when you see us next, we'll have the finished product. Very slow, very easy. Don't burn up the thing. You'll see the finished product next. Okay now, family, all done. I only noticed that we have to put big girl by herself, yeah, because our legs them, one of our legs them did not so 100, and it kind of get dislocated, but we fix her up back. So we have all the finished dish. We have hello please, this is jerk chicken back from Dung Yaad. Okay, we have our leg quarter right here, and we've got our breasts right here, we have got it. We have got our other half right here, and all of that. So look here, we are through, we are finished, juicy, nice, and everything. If you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to leave your comments below, principled and decent, okay? And I know you don't want to see me eat, and don't want to see me taste, but I'm gonna invite you to come right on over to the Jamaican Debbie strain. We'll be mukbanging this over there, our Jamaican jerk chicken. If you'd like to see how we do it, please join us. If you have not yet subscribed, you might want to do so. So as soon as that video is uploaded, you will be the first to know. We're going to be mukbanging some jerk chicken. If you want to see what we'll be mukbanging it with, over there we're inviting you. So remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below. Principled and decent. And in order to be a member of the post notification shout out crew, you gotta subscribe, hit the bell, leave your comments below. Today's post notification shout out goes to Joshua Gabriel. Pick up yourself, Joshua. You eat jerk chicken from scratch? Right on. So we are gonna finish it up. But I'm so sorry, you got to be on the Debbie strain. We'll be mukbanging this right over there. Debbie from Dung Yaad, bless, no stress.